What if your team sent weekly updates without asking? No Slack pings, no daily syncs, just one system. I'll show you how I built it and how you can do the same in a few hours. This is just a mock-up. I built it in under 2 hours, and it could save dozens of hours per month. I use Notion as an entry point, but you can use Airtable or ClickUp, it really doesn't matter. What's matter is the process every team member should follow. Here's the setup. Each team member fills out a repeatable task using a simple template. What's next? What they need? What happened this week? Statuses track the flow from draft to send. That's all you need to replace 90% of noisy updates. This is where it gets interesting. When a task hits ready to send, Make picks it up. It uses ChatGPT to analyze the input, groups the highlights, and sends a weekly summary. Could be an email, could be Slack, Telegram, whatever you use. You can even build an AI agent that schedules follow-ups or flags blockers. But don't overcomplicate. Smart automation starts with a smart process design, and not everything should be automated. Start where the return is obvious. Async check-ins aren't just a feature. They are part of how your business works. Here's the piece related to the business functions and roles from my Ops on Demand sprint. You can see how every role connected to specific functions and related SOPs. These are the system setup and rules to follow. It's not about the infrastructure and tools. They are just to make the execution easier. It's about clarity. Who updates what? How decisions move. And async check-ins are just part of it, but it frees everyone to work without chasing each other. You don't need more pings. You need visibility without noise. Start small, map the update process, automate the repeatable parts, and build a business that talks without interrupting. Want to build effective processes for your team? Follow me for more or send me a message and I'll show you how we do it.